In this video, I'm taking a quick look at a 3D test print of Baby Yoda from The Mandalorian. Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech. I just wanted to make a quick video. My kids and I, big fans of the Disney Plus series, The Mandalorian, and we decided over Christmas break here just to kind of do a quick test. And I printed a Baby Yoda from a file I found on Thingiverse. I'll link to that in the description and maybe the card above, so you can take a look if you have a 3D printer and you want to make a little Baby Yoda. I think this one pretty good. I've seen some other ones since I downloaded and printed this that maybe look a little bit more like the actual one on the show. But you know, we just wanted to do a quick test, quick print. I didn't smooth this out or sand it or fill it with any kind of filler primer to get rid of some of the lines, which I typically would do. I would try to get this really smooth before we painted it, but yeah, I wasn't actually super happy with the way that the print came out with the fingers, because the supports were attached, and when I was trying to remove the supports, it made his fingers a little bit short on the on the right hand. So once that happened, I didn't bother kind of going through and trying to fix it or make it sand it better or anything like that. So, but anyways, long story short, my daughter decided to paint this anyways, and I thought it turned out pretty good, just based on, you know, having something for my desk or something like that. But anyways, I will post, like I said, post the links to this in the description, and I made a quick time-lapse video also of the print, which didn't turn out as great as I would hoped. I was trying to use my DJI Osmo Action to do kind of the time-lapse, and it kind of worked, but yeah. But I'll post it on here anyways, just because I wasted the time trying to record the 7 hours that it took to print this thing. Like I said, if you're interested in printing your own Baby Yoda, you can find quite a few of the 3D files on Thingiverse. So definitely go check that out. So I will go ahead and flip over and show you the time lapse, and I will see you later. Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.